Okay guys, this year LinkedIn lead magnets are awesome. But if you do it and if it's a success, then it's a nightmare to distribute it. So let's see how you can make it automate step by step in a few minutes. So go on ReactIn.io in lists. Just create a new list. That's very simple. So ReactIn in a nutshell, it's a LinkedIn automation tool. You can do either both cold outreach, basic one, or intent-based outreach. So here, let's see one of my lead magnet, get thousands of leads. I just copy paste the link to the post. Here in lead magnet distribution, I will just select this template. So here, that's the post URL, and I will just select person who commented. That's perfect. I keep continuing, and I will just show you step by step. So here, lead magnet LinkedIn post from FD. So it's me, and it's a topic just to remind me because I have different ones. So here the list will be created, and we will start to scrap all the leads every 9 hours. So it can be retroactive. So if you post and get thousands of leads, you can still use ReactIn to distribute it. So we will start here, currently running, to scrap it, and we will scrap for almost a week every 9 hours. If you need, you can, so here you will get your leads, first name, last name, email if available, LinkedIn URL, profile line, and if you want, that's something like Clay, and unique on the market with ReactIn, you can add column to enrich the data. So here leads are coming. So for example, you can say, okay, I want the company description, let's say, and I want also the company size. Let's be a bit crazy to target. Important, if you add data, enrichment columns, just toggle on auto enrich. It will start to scrap everything. It costs 1 credit to take LinkedIn data, either if you take only one column or all of them. So feel free to add all of them, and you can use AI column too. For example, you can say, okay, based on company description, company size, and profile line, is this guy matching my ICP, for example? And in campaign, you will be able to filter on this. Important thing, if you want, you can click here on the trigger and you can add target comments. So for example, if you say comment ABC, you can say, okay, I will just filter and send the message to all the persons that commented ABC. So from my side, I'm not using it because people are writing down the comments in different ways with smileys and spaces. So I prefer not to do, but you can, and you can add different one if you want. So you can do it with ReactIn. So here leads are coming. So I will just now go in campaign to leverage those leads. So as you can see, we are using this tool a lot for ourselves. So I can create a campaign. So I will distribute my lead magnet, and I select a list. So that's the last one, and you can either just an invitation, so that's not the right example here, but you can just an invitation if you want to grow your audience in Autopilot, or invitation and messages. It means that if you are already connected, it will be a message. If you are not connected, ReactIn will send an invitation, and once it's accepted, we will send the message for you. So I create the campaign, and then here to fine-tune everything. So for example, here I have all my leads. I can select the right LinkedIn account, so I can do it for my client if I need, or for my stakeholders, for my partners, whatever. Here I can filter, so I can say, for example, I want to distribute only to my ICP, which is company size that contains SaaS, for example. I don't know if you know, in this one I don't have, but that's an example. And you can filter with more. So for example, I can just add variables and say company size. Oh yeah, that's because I don't have any leads because it's not yet enriched. So that's why, and I can combine filters if I want. So I would just remove them. Oh. So here, if I'm active on the weekend, I can toggle on this one, and here I will be able to add the message saying, hey, so for example, hey, first name here, your resource link. Here the fallback, so the fallback is the send if variables are not available. So I save the message. I can create one follow-up because ReactIn is designed for quality. So just one follow-up available, and I can precise the number of days between the first message and the second one. Start the campaign, and all my leads from my LinkedIn post will be scrapped and added to my list. Enrich if needed, if I did to add columns, and then it will be sent here, filter if needed, and sent to the persons on LinkedIn, and your lead magnet will be distributed online on Autopilot. So enjoy.